Hi there! You may have heard of the little skulls making a big impact. Introducing Skullies. Skullies are exact replicas of real animal skulls in miniature. These incredible mini skulls are 3D printed and hand painted, making each one unique and a true representation of their species. The perfect collectible, whether you're an art enthusiast, interior designer, hunter, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of our natural animal world. Skullies was born from a desire to create something special for all wildlife lovers to appreciate. It allows us to hold a piece of the wild in our hand and keep it for years to come. Let me show you how they are made.
Every original skull is acquired from ethical and sustainable sources and then carefully captured with cutting-edge laser scanning technology. The scans are then scaled down and saved using 3D rendering software to produce the desired size. Unique characteristics are preserved and any necessary edits are made. Then the magic happens. We use resin 3D printing to produce a highly detailed exact reproduction of the original skulls. Skullies are scaled down and printed as palm-sized collectibles. Skullies are printed in a plant-based, biodegradable, non-toxic resin. Once the Skullies have been printed, they go through a washing process to remove any residue and to cure the product. The details of each mini skull are really captured during the painting process. Skullies are each hand-painted using visual references by our team of local South African artists, making each Skullie a true original. The final product is a remarkable mini skull with exceptional accuracy. We not only produce our stock range of Skullies, but we are able to reproduce any skull and offer a custom Skullie service. Custom Skullies enables you to create a mini treasure from your big adventure and share it with your friends and family.
Skullies enables us to keep our childlike wonder alive and find the joy in the small things. Add a touch of the wild to your home or workplace with Skullies today. Check out our website and socials for our latest releases and order yours now.